Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Western Digital Black C50 Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S expansion card. This is available in 512 gigabytes and 1 terabyte capacities. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging. Everything looks great. You'll see designed and compatible with Xbox front and center. On the back, they walk you through the included contents. Even specifies for the Xbox Series X and S. You'll see we have the 512 gigabyte version here. It comes with a 5-year warranty. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents. First up, we have 3 pieces of product literature. First, our WD Black user instructions, followed by our Xbox Series X and S installation instructions. Lastly, we have an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate code there. Then you'll see we have a cover for our expansion card, followed by the card itself, with WD Black's logo and branding on it. Here's a look at the side profile, the back side, and the other side. You'll notice on this side it says 512 gigabytes. Here's a look at the front of the card. And then this cover just slides on it for nice portability, and then you can just gently pull it right back off as needed. Now let's go ahead, let's plug it in and try it out. Installing the drive in your Xbox is truly plug and play. Just make sure you have it in the right way. It's only going to fit down in there one way, so don't force it if you're having trouble or encountering resistance. It's not going to go that way, but you'll see it'll go just like this. So if you're wondering which way is that, the WD Black logo is pointed at our Ethernet port right there, and the Xbox font and text matches the same way that our HDMI and our storage expansion are, so you'd read them upside down looking at it this way or right side up looking at it the other way. Hopefully that helps you and makes sense, but you want to line up those pins and just gently slot it and press it in place. There we go. We have successfully installed our 512 gigabyte expansion. All right, our Xbox is powered on. Let's go into our settings gear icon here, and we're going to navigate down to System and then over to Storage Devices. Now we'll see a breakdown of our Xbox's internal storage. And we have our newly installed storage expansion card, currently 0.0% in use. We have 455.9 gigabytes of free space that we actually get with this card. We can press the A button to view our different options. We can check out the contents on it, move or copy, uninstall content, change how the drive is configured, rename, we can format it, and we can set as a capture location. So there's all of your quick settings. Don't forget you can go over here to the left-hand side and select Change Installation Locations. So pick and choose for optimized for Series XS games. Do you want internal storage, the expansion card, or do you want to live dangerously and let Xbox decide? Same can be said for backwards compatible games. Choose your storage option. And then lastly, for apps, same thing. It's up to you. How do you want to utilize this expansion card? Simple, straightforward, easy to use, and you can view everything there and change as needed. So there's nothing left to do but for you to have fun gaming.